Namaskar everyone. In this video we will talk about the recently active radars of Indian defense systems. So let's start the video. Well, for those who don't know what is a radar, so the dictionary definition of radar is the detection system that uses radio wave to determine the range, angle or velocity of objects. Now, the most important question is what role does radars play in the defense system? Basically, radar system consists of a transmitter producing electromagnetic waves in the ratio or microwaves domain, a transmitting antenna, a receiving antenna, and a receiver and processor to determine properties of the object. Wondering how does it works? Radio waves from the transmitter reflect off the object and return to the receiver, giving information about the object's location and speed. Now, talking about the radar system used by the Indian Army, the first one is Indian Doppler radar, that is Indra radar. This is an array of 2D radars that DRDO developed for India's Army and Air Force. While the function of Indra 1 is to detect targets at low levels, the function of Indra 2 is to serve for interpreting targets from the ground base. Bharat Electronics Limited was responsible for developing this system. Since this was the first large radar system that is designed and made in number to serve the defense forces, the Indra 1 became a landmark project for DRDO. Talking about the second one, that is our Rajendra radar. This system is basically called the heart of Akash Air Defense System. Is a multifunction electronically scanned array. It is a passive electronically scanned array PESA radar whose task is guiding Akash missile to reach its target. This is not only the heart of Akash surface to air missile but also the main fire control sensor for an Akash battery. Talking about the Rohini radar, this is an operating in S-band 3D air surveillance radar which is ground-based and operates medium range. The system detects and tracks air targets. It can calculate how high projectiles are flying accurately and handle multiple targets at the same time. The system operates at 15 km of height and covers as far as 170 km. It can track targets such as missiles and fighter jets that moves at supersonic speed of over 3000 km per hour. Besides the main Rohini, there is IFF, a secondary surveillance radar to tell between friendly and hostile aircrafts. Each year there shall be around 100 pieces built along with 20 radars. Our next radar is Swati weapon locating radar. This is made in India phased radar is tasked with locating mobile artilleries. It's capable of detecting and tracking incoming rockets as well as artillery fire and find the origin for counter battery fire. DRDO developed this radar system in collaboration with LRD and BEL. The system is able to track 7 targets and can help the Indian Army locate the position of Pakistani artillery across the LOC. And last but not least, radar is aerostat radar. Aerostats are helium-filled fabric envelopes that can go as high as 4.6 kilometers tied to the ground with a single cable. The largest aerostat can lift as much as 1000 kilometers of payload to provide downward-looking, low-level radar coverage. So this is it for today's video. Do like this video, subscribe my channel and see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye.